these lines help you to lot. So to create the hair, okay. The basic shape circle, and this shapes, when you done this basic shapes, so we are just creating okay, once more basic line. This is a basic, I just make it more few basic line like this, okay. This is a collar, okay. This is you can create collar like this, uh, the hoodie kind of, not hoodie, like this, okay. Yeah, this is the dress, they're wearing this dress. So basic drawing is done, okay. We are making first a basic drawing. So this is the eyes line, so eyes should be in draw in this line, okay.
Can you please move your hand for a second?
Yeah, I move my hands, okay. Okay, this is a basic drawing. This is this two line, the straight line. I'm using this eyes like this, nose like this, and here to here I just divided three part. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here this number 2, the first line, okay. This line you are creating the mouth. This is always a mouth line, okay. So I created the mouth, this angry face. This is the character named Sakura, okay. Haruno, Naruto Uzumaki, Sasuke Uchiha, and Sakura Haruno, and Kakashi Hatake, right? This is few characters is very famous. So we are creating this eye.
This one I didn't know which one is this one.
These characters are Sasuka.
Okay. No, sir, that is Naruto.
Yeah, this is Naruto. Naruto Uzumaki, that characters. Let's we are Iruka. Yeah, here is a 4 character. First I show that this is Naruto Uzumaki. Then I show the Sasuke Uchina. Then I show Sakura Haruno, and then Kakashi Hatake. Okay, this 4 characters is very amazing. So the basics drawing is done. Okay, so and one more thing that I draw.
Can this one which we are right now drawing?
This is Naruto.
Sir, then which character is this one? The way
Okay, this.
Then now we are drawing. So we are drawing Kakashi Hatake, and that is Naruto.
This is Naruto.
The wait is there. I do not finished yet.
No problem, no problem. I wait. I just make from this is the hairstyle. Just make a hairstyle like this.
Which character are we drawing right now?
Right now is Naruto.
Then which one is this one?
This one is this also Naruto. This different pose. This is different pose. So this is the ear. Okay. I give few minutes to finish this. We are going to the we are going to color. We are going to this final line drawing. Make sure the distance between this and this should be the same. all distance between eyes, the height and distance should be same. Okay, this is a very important to make make distance each other. Okay, I hope you guys are very intelligent, you understand that. So I start the next pose. Okay.
That's Aditya.
Yeah, the
So,
beta.
nice to know.
Okay.
Can I show?
Peace, beta.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Let me erase the extra line. Sir, can I show it now?
Yeah, please.
Sir, added 3.
Yeah, the three, please show right now.
Sir, can you see it?
Yeah, that's great. Wow, this is good, man.
Thank you, sir.
3, 8, 1, 2.
Thank you. Sir, can I show my rest of the drawing?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. This one. Can you see it, sir?
Yes, I see better. Yes. Very good. Wow.
After that, this one.
Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, Akhilesh. We are going to color. Very nice, Adriti. Well, this is Naruto Uzumaki. The characters we are going. Yeah, I see. I see this. I see it. It's really awesome. We are making the next drawing, but we are creating some. This is out color lines. Okay, very simple. How to draw very simple color. Okay, this is I want to show in this drawing. Okay, the Japanese style, Korean style art from. Yeah, Aditi. Yeah, sure. Just start this. We are starting this drawing, and then you can see your drawing. Very good. Going Rabindranath Tagore, whatever you're doing is so nice, awesome. I like it.
Should we color this one also?
Yes, we are doing very less color. It is not at all tough things. Just see how to create color of.
Yes, so 1 minute, please take how we can just.
Yes, I just take the bronze signer. I just take the bronze signer. Okay, little.
Please take only 1 minute.
Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute. Take the bronze signer and put the color the body. This is simple. Just leave the eyes. See what are the techniques to create the color. Just make it. Okay, just make it very simple line color. This is watercolor. You buy this is color. Everyone, it is very important to learn the color also. So I use the bronze signer.
Actually, sir, it's watercolor. Actually, our watercolor is.
Okay, I show this watercolor because
Please.
yes, Niharika, please show your skin is black. Okay, you buy watercolor next week's be ready. This week you just watch. Okay, it's very simple. I show the techniques of color, what color, how to use. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. If you have not watercolor now, I don't say anything else. You just corrections. So I using this is for the hair yellow ochre. You need a color by color, so I using this the here the very basic color, the yellow I'm using for the characters Naruto's Maki, like this, and the eyebrow also yellow, very simple.
Sir, can you see? Sir, in the face, which color did you put?
I use a yellow ochre. Yeah, I see. This is great.
Face, face.
This is great, great, Niharika. It's awesome.
Sir, in the face, sir, sir, Aditri,
Yes.
आपने face में कौन सा कलर किया?
बेटा ये है ब्रांड साइना, जो कलर मैंने फेस में दिया है ये ब्रांड साइना.
Sir, मेरे को एक doubt है इसमें कौन सा brown सा है ना?
या ब्रांड साइना जो ब्राउन होता है, चॉकलेट कलर होता है ना, वो ब्रांड साइना. कोई भी कलर ले लो.
दोनों दिख रहा है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे.
ऊपर वाला यूज कर लो. ओके बेटा, ऊपर वाला. हाँ, I'm using the black and the Prussian blue. Black and the Prussian blue. These colors for.
बहुत लाइट से लगाया है क्या?
Yes. So ये जो कलर है ना, मैंने यूज किया ब्लैक एंड प्रूशियन ब्लू, एंड ये मैंने दे रहा हूँ. दिस इज आई पुट द कलर here. Okay, very simple, one tone only, nothing tough things. You just make the exact colors what I use. I use the black and Prussian blue over here. Okay, and I put the colors very nicely over here. Okay, so I make it.
मेरा हल्का सा नीचे spread हो गया वो press का.
Okay, simple. I put this color inside. I using this Prussian blue, bronzina, and black, so it's come little bit of a violet kind of. So this is the color I'm using, little violet, little violet. The brush, how to create the violet?
Actually मेरा बहुत सारे निकल आ गया. ये ठीक है?
ठीक है बेटा.
Aditri.
Yeah, Aditri, this is fine, absolutely okay.
क्योंकि मेरे पास exact colors नहीं है.
No need बेटा, no need exact colors, no one needs. We are making some
Sir, वो hair पे आपने कौन सा color किया है?
yellow ochre and lemon yellow I use for this yellow.
Sir, यहाँ पे मेरे पास तीन yellow है. कौन सा
Yeah,
yellow
you
है?
make it the golden yellow, the top one.
This.
Yeah,
That's like this.
yeah, this is okay. So first tone of this color is done.